If you are looking to strengthen your core, stop leaking, and flatten your tummy, then this program is for you. This is the exact strategy that has helped me and over 30,000 mothers dealing with diastasis recti, leaking, back pain, mommy pooch, and other core issues. I'm not just a mom who used to be in your shoes. My name is Julie Baird. I have a master's degree in sports science, specializing in pre- and postnatal fitness, with over 10 years of experience in the field. This program has been approved and recommended by doctors, physical therapists, as well as countless mothers from around the world. As I'm sure you're aware, dealing with embarrassing leakage and the persistent mommy pooch can affect every part of your life. It does not help that we're bombarded with claims that fall short on addressing what's really going on. You might have tried random YouTube videos, products that promise bladder control, or waist trainers to flatten your abs. Well, inefficient quick fixes simply leave mothers more frustrated with their bodies and symptoms that persist. My comprehensive approach works because we address the root causes of your specific issues, so you can fix the problem once and for all, regardless of whether you're a new mom or gave birth many years ago. You will find follow-along workouts that target your core from the inside out, but it also goes much beyond doing the right exercises. You will learn how to make small changes to improve your posture, breathing, optimize your nutrition, and feel better throughout your daily life. Plus, I've included a big bundle of additional programs so you can replenish your body, rebuild full body strength, and resume an active life, pain-free and leak-free. I know how frustrating and isolating pelvic floor and core issues are, so I can't wait for you to see and feel the life-changing results that come from following this program. Click below to join me, and I will see you inside.